In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a WooCommerce account. If you've been managing your WooCommerce store and need to remove some customer accounts, maybe due to inactivity or just a simple cleanup, this is the right guide for you. It's a straightforward process, but handling customer data requires careful attention, so let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for all things WordPress, and where you can manage everything related to your website, including your WooCommerce store. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so with your admin credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard in front of you. It's sometimes a little overwhelming due to various menus, but don't worry, we'll focus on just what we need for today's task. Next, look on the left side of your screen and you'll find a menu. Scan through this menu and locate the Users section. Click on Users, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, select All Users. This is where we can view every registered user associated with your WordPress site, including all WooCommerce customers. This page will show you a detailed list of users including their roles, which are crucial as WooCommerce customers are typically registered as customers or subscribers. Now you need to find the specific customer account you want to delete. You can either scroll through the list to find the username or use the search box provided at the top right for a quicker search. Simply enter the username, email, or relevant detail into the search box and hit enter. Once you've located the correct user, you'll notice several options appear beneath their username. One of these options is Delete. Click on this Delete link. It's important to double-check that you've chosen the correct user before doing this, as this action cannot be undone from the interface itself. After clicking Delete, WordPress will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is an extra step to ensure that accidental deletions don't happen. Read through this prompt carefully. It will ask if you truly want to delete this user account and what you'd like to do with their content. Since we're focusing on customer accounts, this may not apply, but ensure you are absolutely certain before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the deletion, WordPress will remove the user from your database, effectively deleting their WooCommerce account. And just like that, you've successfully cleaned up your customer list. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Deleting customer accounts means losing all their purchase history and potentially valuable data. So consider both the implications and your store's privacy practices before proceeding with bulk deletions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.